Hello and welcome to Brainstorm.
Today, we are going to talk about history, present and future of Rajdhani trains.
And we are also going to find out which are the three fastest Rajdhani trains in India.
The Howrah Rajdhani was the first Rajdhani in India.
And also the first fully air-conditioned train in India.
It was first introduced on 3rd March 1969, more than 49 years ago.
The train departed from New Delhi railway station to reach the Howrah junction.
The distance between these two stations is 1,451 kilometers, and Rajdhani took just 17 hours 20 minutes to complete this journey.
Rajdhani's debut was really impressive because the average speed during its first run was close to 84 kilometers per hour.
Which is still impressive even by today's standards. The Mumbai-New Delhi Rajdhani Express, one of the most popular trains in India, was introduced on 17 May 1972. There are 24 Rajdhani trains in operation.
And passengers are given complimentary meals during the journey.
Depending on the duration and timings of the journey, these would include morning tea, breakfast, lunch, high tea and dinner. All Rajdhani Express trains offer 3 classes of accommodation. AC first class has lockable bedroom. Second tier AC has curtains for privacy, whereas third AC doesn't have curtains. These trains have fewer stops than other express trains and halt only at prominent stations. They also get highest priority on Indian railway network.
The Bandra Rajdhani is the fastest Rajdhani with an average speed of 99 kilometers per hour.
The second fastest is Mumbai Rajdhani, and its average speed is 88 kilometers per hour.
Third fastest is Howrah Rajdhani at 85 kilometers per hour. Ministry of Railways has released pictures of newly introduced AC coaches.
And most likely, these coaches will also be used in Rajdhanis.
The main difference between earlier coaches and the new ones is the windows. New ones have continuous window panes.
Also, Train 20 train sets are going to be launched in the year 2020. The plan is to run these aluminium bodied trains on 15 major Rajdhani routes. They will have maximum speed of 176 kilometers per hour and will be continuous. These trains will also have automatic doors and will be more energy efficient.
Please let us know if you enjoyed this video. If this video gets 750 likes, then we will make similar videos about.
Shatabdi, Gatiman and Tejas Express too.
Thanks for watching Brainstorm.